Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online class. Today, I am going to start a new chapter, that is lesson 3, Work Around Me. Let's see. You must have noticed that most adults around you go for work. Who are called adult? Those who are above the age of 18, they are called adult. Different people do different types of work. People work to earn money. Any work done to earn money is called an occupation. So any work done to earn money is called an occupation. These are called their profession. Most people choose their occupation according to what they are good or what they enjoy doing. Many people help us in different ways to make our life easier and comfortable. Now, let's see occupation of people. A baker. A baker makes cakes and biscuits. A carpenter makes furniture like sofa, dining table. All these things are made by carpenter. A tailor. A tailor stitches our clothes. What clothes we are wearing, that is stitched by tailor. A potter. A potter makes pots and diyas. You can see in the picture, potter is making a pot. A mason. A mason builds houses. Houses which are built around you, it is built by mason. Now let's see people who sell things. A grocer. A grocer sells pulses, food grain, spices, etc. In Hindi we say राशन दुकान. A stationery sells books, pens, copies, etc. You buy a book, copy, pencil from a stationery shop. A greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. A florist sells flower. A milkman sells milk. Now let's see people who mends things. Mends means repair. A cobbler. A cobbler mends our shoe. A mechanic. A mechanic repairs machines. Our car, scooter, motorcycle, it is repaired by mechanic. A plumber. A plumber repairs taps and pipes. An electrician. An electrician repairs electrical fittings and gadgets. Now let's see some people entertain us. A joker. A joker makes us laugh with his funny action. A writer writes stories and articles for us. Dancer perform dances for us. A musician composes melodious music. A singer sings song for us. Now let's see. There are some people who provide useful services such as doctor. A doctor treats sick people. When you get sick, you go to doctor. A policeman, a policeman takes care of our security. A postman brings letters and parcel for us. A teacher teaches us. A fireman fights fire. Besides these, there are many other people in the community who do different jobs. They all work together to make our life better and comfortable. See, a pilot, a pilot flies aeroplanes. Thank you. Hope you have understood.